Hey Brisbane, we've come to a Swoosh Hotel to show you around. We're staying here tonight and we're going for a little adventure on the weekend, and I wanted to show you, this is for families who have 3 kids. Look at this room configuration that we've got. Hang on a minute, let me knock. Well, hello, can I come in? It didn't magically open, there is a human there.
I'm being sneaky.
So it has this first door and then it has these 2 doors, right? So this is Hotel X in the Valley, and this is really good room configuration for those families that have 3 kids. Or 2, but 3, because look what they've done. So we have the 3 kids in here, okay, and then... Well, okay, show you around. Oh, there's humans in here. Hello, grown-ups, where are you hiding? And then the bathroom in there. Do we want to see the bathroom? Okay, bathroom. There's me in the mirror. Hi, me. And then in the grown-ups room, there's Miss 10. This is their beautiful room. So... I just wanted to show you around because you know how we often get parents with more than 2 children, you know, large families saying, is this going to be suitable for my family because, you know, we don't have the standard 2 and 2. Well, we found an awesome hotel that does a 2 and 3 really beautifully in the Valley. So, hello Miss 10, you've only been here for about 5 minutes. What do you like about it so far?
The lifts are very fancy and I love that. Yeah. And have you seen out the windows?
No. Let's have a look out the windows. Okay, so this is the view out of one of the rooms. You're up sort of high. We're on the 4th floor, so not massively high, but you get sort of a nice view down here. It's not easy to see in the reflection. We're just near Judith Wright Centre. So Hotel X is near Judith Wright Centre. So... yeah, this is the lovely room, and they have these like magic moving curtains. I think the kids like those as well. Should we ask the boys what they liked? Kiddos,
Yep.
What do you like best about the hotel so far?
The beds.
The beds. Yeah?
They're very comfortable.
Yeah? What do you like most about it?
I just like the design. Like, it's quite different.
What
Like
is?
the carpets.
The hotel?
Yeah.
You like the carpets? It's an odd thing.
I know what I like.
Yeah.
Books.
It's got
I found
books.
it on the table.
The world according to Carl. Excellent. All right. Well, I just thought I would quickly pop into your little feed there and show you another opportunity for families to create some memories. We're going to go and see the Lantern Parade this evening, but we're going to stay here tonight, and we've got a bit of an adventure happening this weekend, so stay tuned. We'll share some more of the things that we're doing that are in line with the hotel and supported by the hotel, and they've given us the opportunity. So if you're intrigued, pop onto our Facebook page tomorrow and you can see where else we're going. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.